Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a portrait of MonkeyDLuffy, the main character from one of the most famous anime series, One Piece. Start by drawing his hat with simple lines. I'm just making a rough sketch, so no need to add details yet. After that, draw some lines for the hair and then the face shape. Start from the jaw and go down to the chin. Oops, I think I need to make some adjustments to the jawline. Now that looks better. Next, draw his iconic smile. To be honest, I think Luffy has the most charming smile of all the anime main characters I've seen so far. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move on to the eyes. First, mark the area where the eyes will be, then start adding details. Erase here and there as needed. I'm feeling a bit lazy, so I'm just gonna copy and paste the other eye real quick. Here's a tip for beginners. When drawing anime characters, start with the eyes. They are the most unique feature of any character, and if you get them right, the rest won't be a big problem as long as you keep the proportions correct. Back to the drawing. Adjust the hair here and there, erase, and voila! Now for the ears. Don't worry, I won't copy and paste them. Finally, draw the neck and his clothes. Now that the outline is done, let the fun begin. Color his clothes, hat, and neck. Be careful with the colors and make sure they're correct. Then adjust the hair by removing any unnecessary lines before coloring it. Now for the shadows. Guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. Shadows are the most important thing when it comes to drawing. Shadows create depth, making your drawing pop out and feel more natural rather than looking flat. Just look at how the shadows transform the drawing. Wow! Finally, add the background and boom, here you have it. MonkeyDLuffy. Goodbye for now and don't forget to subscribe. Keep smiling.